Okay, here we have a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and I'm not really going to show you what to do. I'm just going to point it out because it's so simple, and also give you a little story. Let's get the bonnet open. Right, in order to replace the thermostat on this vehicle, first thing to remove is this. So that's 3 of these little plastic screws, and that will pull out. Second is you undo this screw, and you undo that screw down there, and you can remove this piece of pipe. But of course you will have to remove that hose and that hose. Very simple. They're out of the way. Then you remove this box. There are 2 bolts, one is down there and one is down there. And with this out of the way, you can get to it quite simply. Then the thermostat is down there on the end of that big fat hose. There are 3 10mm bolts. You undo them. You will lose coolant. So you need some coolant. Once you've done all of that, you put the new one in. Make sure you get it the right way up. There's a little notch on the rubber, and you have to make sure you line that up properly. My preference is to put a little dielectric grease on the rubber seal and then put it in, and then do up those 3 bolts. I won't say what I charged the customer to do this, but she took it to the dealers. To do that job, they want $534. Are you fucking kidding me? That's ridiculous. Now, the coolant strength is okay. There's nothing wrong with it. So it doesn't need a total drain. You just need to bring it back up with concentrate afterwards. These dealers are really ripping people off. And this car happens to belong to a young lady. And because she's got boobs, they think they can rip her off even more. Fortunately, her father knows me and asked me if I could look at it and do it for her. And let's say my bill was less than $200. Yeah, significantly. And that included the cost of parts. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, be aware, dealers have got the name Steelers for a reason. They also quoted her on lower control arms, which do not need replacing. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Very short video. Now get out the garage, go do some shit.